Ready, set, hustle. Your side hustle journey starts now. Have you ever lay awake at night with an amazing idea? Well, guess what? You're in the right place. This video is your step-by-step guide to turning that dream into reality. Ready to ditch your 9 to 5? We've got your back. Grab your notebooks, get comfy, and let's dive in. Chapter 1. Unleash your inner rock star, identifying your skills and interests. First things first, we've got to tap into that inner rock star of yours. What sets your soul on fire? What are you already amazing at, even if it seems effortless to you? Grab that journal and brainstorm. Think about your skills, hobbies, and even those things people always compliment you on. Are you a whiz with words? Maybe you bake cakes that would make Martha Stewart jealous? Or perhaps you've got a knack for making complicated things super easy to understand. Your side hustle should light you up. It's about passion, purpose, and sharing your unique gifts with the world. Start that list. Trust me, the world needs what you have to offer. Chapter 2. Scope out the scene, researching your market. Now that we've uncovered those incredible talents, it's time to put on our detective hats. We need to see who else is out there doing something similar and how you can totally rock the stage. This is called market research, and it's all about understanding your ideal customer. Who are they? What are their pain points? And most importantly, how can your amazing side hustle swoop in and make their lives better, easier, or more joyful? Check out your competition. What are they doing well? What could they be doing better? The key is to stand out from the crowd and make your mark. Chapter 3. Dip your toes in, starting small and testing your idea. It's time to take action. But before you quit your day job or invest your life savings, let's start small and test the waters. Offer your product or service to a select group of friends, family, or even online connections. Give them a special introductory price or offer in exchange for their honest feedback. What did they love? What could be improved? Feedback is your best friend. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it to refine your offering. This stage is all about experimentation and iteration. Don't be afraid to tweak, adjust, and even pivot if you need to. The most successful entrepreneurs are the ones who are adaptable and responsive to feedback. Don't worry, we're not talking about writing a novel here. This is about creating a clear roadmap for your side hustle. Think of it like plotting your adventure on a map. You need to know where you're going and how you're going to get there. Start with your big vision. What do you want to achieve with your side hustle? What are your short-term and long-term goals? Define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your product or service? Get specific. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty. What are your pricing strategies? How will you market your side hustle to your ideal customer? What are your projected expenses and revenue streams? Having a clear plan will help you stay focused, motivated, and accountable. Listen up, you don't need a ton of cash to launch a successful side hustle. There are tons of incredible free and low-cost tools available to help you get started without breaking the bank. Let's talk about social media, your new best friend. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are goldmines for connecting with your target audience, building a community, and showcasing your amazing work. And guess what? They're free. Need help with design? Canva is a lifesaver. Create stunning graphics, social media posts, and even marketing materials without any design experience. For managing finances, check out user-friendly apps like Wave or PayPal. These tools will streamline your operations and keep you organized without costing you a fortune. Juggling a day job and a side hustle can feel like a circus act. But trust me, it's doable with planning and prioritization. Be intentional with your time and create a schedule that works for you. Identify pockets of time for your side hustle. Maybe it's an hour before work, during lunch, or a few hours on the weekend. Small chunks of time can make a big difference. Set realistic expectations and avoid burnout. And don't forget to prioritize self-care. Schedule activities that leave you refreshed and energized. It's time to claim your space in the online world. Having a strong online presence is non-negotiable in today's digital age. Start by creating a simple website or portfolio that showcases your work, services, and testimonials. Think of it as your digital storefront, a place where potential customers can learn more about you and what you offer. Amplify your reach with social media. Choose platforms where your target audience hangs out and start creating valuable, engaging content that connects with them on a deeper level. Remember, consistency is key. show up regularly, engage with your audience, and watch your online community flourish. Building a successful side hustle is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns, but the most important thing is to stay the course and never give up on your dreams. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. Be patient with yourself, embrace the learning process, and celebrate every milestone along the way. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory worth celebrating. And most importantly, never stop learning and growing. Stay curious, experiment with new ideas, and always be willing to adapt and evolve. The entrepreneurial journey is all about continuous improvement and pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. Congratulations, you made it. You now have the roadmap to turn that brilliant idea into a thriving side hustle. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Start your side hustle today.